What's up, guys and girls? Fresh off vacation, we got an exciting one here for you today. A 2021 brand new F350 work truck edition. Vinyl seats, vinyl floors, all that stuff, but he spent the money where it really counts, which is the suspension, if you ask me. He went 4.5-inch Carli pin top kit. We're gonna fit some 37-inch Nittos under there on some method wheels. Okay, on these 4.5-inch pin top kits, they're really not much different than the commuter kit. The biggest upgrade is the King chocks. And on these Super Duties past 2020, we know that you get an additional inch of lift, as we've gone over with you guys before. So should be no problem to clear these 37s. Also, they spurge for the cherry on top, which is these radius arms and torsion sway bars. All those really do is help with wheel travel and make sure that you're never gonna rub on that full lock. So we're pretty excited about that. That's the best way to do it. Stay tuned and watch us do it. All right, moving on to the rear. The customer opted for the full leaf pack replacements, which is great for the ride capabilities of those. And but the one problem that we're running into with this work bed is the bolts are going to interfere with the boxes. So next step, contact the customer, give them their options of either A, removing the bed and us replacing the leaf packs, B, doing an add-a-leaf with the block. That's the Carli's other option. Or C, just getting a whole new block for the rear to make this truck sit level. Until then, we're at a pause. On the work truck build, we are putting a set of methods on there, 17-inch MR 704. Pretty cool wheels, got built-in beadlock technology. So if you want to air down, it almost acts like a full beadlock wheel. Tires going on there, 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler. Show this side. Probably our most popular tires, so we know those. Great tire, quiet, great traction, looks awesome. Let's get them mounted up. As you saw the other day, we came to a pause on this job when the leaf spring bolts would not come out due to interference with the cargo boxes. We gave the customer 3 options, which was remove the cargo box bed, blocks for the meantime, or add-a-leafs that Carli also offers. He chose none of the above. He wanted us to cut access panels in the cargo boxes for the leaf spring bolts. So I went ahead and did that. I hole sawed the rear. I notched out the front into these rectangles just to perfectly fit the bolt out. Time to hit the ground and get these leaf springs out. Watch your head. The wheel was right behind you. You were like a centimeter away.
I lost the shoe. Sorry about before.
Oh, lost a foot. So on these leaf packs, when you get the factory one out, you just don't throw this new Diva leaf spring in. You actually have to switch over the top plate. Even on this brand new 2021, it involves some massaging and coercing to get it out. So I'm gonna switch this plate over, get this leaf spring put back in. A lot of effort for one bolt. As you guys and girls just saw, that we got the leaf packs installed in the rear. It went okay, took a little bit of persuading, but they're done. What you didn't see is the stainless steel brake lines, the king shocks, the bump stop extenders, all that's put on now. By the way guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have any suggestions or comments or things you want us to change or give more info about, comment below. Of course, like the video, subscribe if you can, and keep tuning in because we got some cool projects for you. For now, until next time.